All right, here. So I took apart this multi-tool DeWalt 20 volt. It was a no power situation. Split it open. Bam! Oh my gosh. You know what? So I started messing with it and I realized, well, maybe this could be bad. The armature and the mags, whatever. But I started following the wires and here we have. I noticed this is not connected. And that could very much so be why it's not working. So let me see if I can't solder this thing open and we'll plug it up to a battery and see what happens. All right, now that I have this thing soldered together, can't see, but it'll be all right for my use. Let's see if it works. Battery hooked up. We'll just. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's good. Very good. When putting it back together, you want to make sure you have the trigger assembly put nicely with this detent thing, and then there's a little slot. Oops, I was moving it. There's these two nipples over here, and then this guy right here, it is the locking mechanism. You want to make sure it slides into this notch where that hole is, and then you'll be fine. And everything else is just plug and play.